In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar account in Notion Calendar. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect on screen, so you can connect your calendar quickly and confidently. Let's start inside Notion Calendar. At the top of your calendar window, look for a small arrow icon. This is usually near your workspace name or account area. Go ahead and click that arrow. Think of this as your main gateway into the calendar's settings and account options. When you click the arrow, a small menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option that says View Settings. This will open up a dedicated settings panel or window. If you don't see it immediately, make sure the menu hasn't collapsed and that you're clicking directly on View Settings, not on any of the other options around it. Once the settings area is open, you'll see a few different sections. Here, you want to navigate to General Settings. This is where Notion Calendar groups the basic configuration options for your account, including anything related to connected calendars. Click on General Settings to open that section. Give it a moment to load if your internet connection is a bit slow. Inside General Settings, look for a button or link that says Add Calendar. This is the key action that starts the process of connecting an external calendar account, such as one from a common email provider or another calendar service. Click on Add Calendar. As soon as you do that, Notion Calendar will redirect you to an authorization or integration page. From here, all you need to do is follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll be asked to choose your calendar provider, sign into that account if you aren't already, and then grant permission for Notion Calendar to access your events. Take a moment to read the permissions so you understand what's being shared. When in doubt, make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage separate calendars for work and personal life. After you confirm the prompts, you'll be redirected back to Notion Calendar. Your newly added calendar should appear in your calendar list, and your events will begin to sync. If they don't show up right away, give it a minute to update or try refreshing the page.